Okay. Okay, so let's get started again. Sorry. Okay, so by now you should know how to get in and out. Yes or no? Okay, using the strategy GPS, you know how to get in and out. Okay, so next thing, so now how do we scan for stocks? So how do we scan for stocks? We will go to a screener. Okay, go to position. So position is if you are doing position trading. Okay, you're doing position trading. You're doing daily charts. Then the next thing you want to, let's say we look for. Okay, this morning I already scanned for Nasdaq, so nothing much. Let's scan for NYSE. Okay. So when you scan for NYSE, okay, this is position, daily charts, and then what do we do next? Okay, what do we do next? We want to rank the stocks. What do we do? We want to rank the stocks. That means we want to see over the last 1 month, what is the strongest stock? What do we do? Okay, rank by month, correct? We rank it by month. Okay, so these are my weakest stock. Okay, can you see all these are the minus sign? Okay, this is a revision for everyone. So all fresh in your mind right now. Okay, so this is refresher for you. Okay, so rank by month. These are the minus signs. So these are the stocks that are the weakest stock right now. Okay, then how about strong stocks? How about stocks that are strong? Click one more time. Then you know these are the strong stocks right now. Okay, so this just to see, give you some context of weak stocks versus strong stocks. Okay, weak stocks are stocks that are like that. So they are trending downwards. Can you see these stocks are trending downwards? Yes or no? So when you are trading a downward trend stock, what do you do? Okay, what do you do when it's coming down? Like this one, TSU, right? Downtrend, remain downtrend, right? So these are short stocks that you can actually sell. You can actually go short, okay, on these stocks. Okay. On the other hand, let's say you have strong stocks, then these are the stocks that are strong. Okay, these are the stocks that are strong. Let's say Teladoc Health. Can you see this is a strong stock? So strong stock, what do? You look to buy them. Yes or no? Okay, look to buy them. Okay, so then the next question is which signal to choose. So right now we are doing a real, like a practical right now. Okay, like tonight. Okay, tonight, Monday 27. Now it's at 7 p.m. Assuming I come home, I want to buy stocks right now. Okay, I'll buy stocks right now. Then what do I do? Okay, I go to the screener, step one. Let's say, for example, I decided to do position daily NYSE. So, but I'm going to trade stocks that are in NYSE. I want to trade stocks that are position trading daily. So daily is for how long? Daily is for how long? Shortest is 3 months. Okay, longest can be longer. Okay, shortest at least is 3 months. Okay, so there's a time frame. And then after that, we look for stocks, whether we're going to buy or sell, we look for stocks here. Okay, so we can only trade stocks that are the first 3 valid arrows. Yes or no? First 3 valid arrows. So let's say I want to buy. Okay, I'll buy stocks here. Okay, so right now, at this moment, 1 to 23. Okay, strong to the weak, right? So from here, we can see all these stocks has signal prior to today. Okay, so like example, W, okay, they are ranked arrow number 1. Okay, arrow number 1. So position daily is for 3 months and above. This stock has a signal, but not today. Okay, not today. This stock has a signal earlier at this point of time. Yes or no? If yes, type yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so right now at this moment, we look at stock number 23. Okay, ARMK. Okay, ARMK. So very quickly, you can see from here, ARMK has a buy signal. Today is arrow number 1. Yes or no? Okay, it's arrow number 1, but has no teeth. Okay, some of you all know there's no teeth, right? So you are a graduate, you all know, right? But let's take a look. Okay, so when I choose this stock, ARMK. So what's the challenge with this stock right now? There are at least 3. Why cannot buy this stock? Okay, 1 is sideways. Okay, how do you know it's sideways? One of the things you can look at it is here. The mode tell you is bearish. Yes or no? Okay, so you cannot buy. Okay, number 2, there's no teeth over here. Okay, you want to look for strong trend. This is tell you the strong trend. This is a strong, tell you strong downtrend. This strong downtrend. So now this is uptrend, but this is not a strong uptrend. So you need to have a dark green. Yes or no? Okay, those are the second issue. What's the third one? Third issue, there isn't a recent high also. Yes or no? There isn't a 6-month high. This point or this point here is not a 6-month high. So all 3 things will tell you, oh, this is not a stock that you can buy today. Yes or no? So you scroll down a little bit lower, we find DD, DuPont, okay? This is another one, okay? So again, you have arrow, mode is bearish, cannot trade, and then no teeth also, so cannot trade, okay? So, okay, so outside Benson, you're correct, right? Okay, there's no teeth, there's no bearish mode, cannot trade, okay? To give you some context, when you go into the weekly charts, you know that the trend is still down. Okay, the trend is still down. The moving average is still down. Yes or no? Okay, just to give you some context to that. Okay, so back to the screener again. So you screen from 1 all the way to can be 300 stocks, right? You look for maybe the 10%. Okay, 10% here will be like 40 stocks. Okay, or 50 stocks. That's about it. Okay, 50 stocks. So go back to the top again. 1, okay, so we have 29. Then we have Best Buy. Okay, Best Buy, you all know this company, Best Buy, right? Okay, go shopping in US, you know, Best Buy, right? So click again, number 3, arrows. What's the challenge again? Mode is bearish, no teeth again, don't have 6-month high. Okay? Okay, don't have 6-month high again. Okay, so this one also cannot. Okay, so these are all daily charts. Yes or no? All daily charts. Then next one is okay, SYY. Also same thing. Okay, arrow but no teeth. Okay, so why a lot of stocks are like that? You go to here, go to weekly, you can understand trend is still not uptrend. Yes or no? All the swing are still down. Okay, so okay, that's about it already. Okay, we don't have any stock with teeth actually. Okay, so until 59, all the stocks without teeth. So what does it tell you about the market? Even though market is going up, what does it tell you about the market? Okay, the market is not impulsive, it's not strong. Okay, so that's why all the teeth is not there yet. Okay, are there stocks that have teeth? Are there stocks that have teeth? Yes, previously some of the stock have teeth. Okay, not today, but some of the stocks have teeth previously. Okay, so this is just some of the things to take note. Okay, example, this kind of stocks, they have teeth, but not today. Today they don't have teeth. Okay, but some of this also don't have teeth. Okay, don't have teeth. Let me see. Snap have, I think. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay, so why is it that this one has teeth, but this one also mode is bearish? Okay, mode is bearish. Got it? Okay, so what are the 3 things? You need to check the teeth, you need to check the mode, you need to check whether the stock has made 6-month high or not. Okay, any question? Okay, no need hidden arrow. Okay, hidden arrow not important. Okay, so next is let's keep it very simple. Okay, guys, let's keep it very simple. Let's look at short. Okay, let's look at short right now. Okay, so we have TSU. Okay, TSU. So let's count the number of valid arrow right now. Okay, how many valid arrow do we have? So this is not valid because there's no teeth. This is not valid because there's no teeth. This is the first valid arrow. Agree or disagree? Okay, first valid arrow. This is the day. First valid arrow. This one no count. Okay, this one no count because there's no teeth again. This one no count, no teeth again. This is the second valid arrow. Okay, this is actually quite bearish. Okay, look at the stop. Oh, it's like breaking new low again. Okay, why is it rushing to go down? Okay, so generally if a stock is rushing to go down, it's no good. Oh, okay, so this is the arrow again over here. Second valid arrow. The only challenge I have with this stock is it's a $10 stock. Okay, of course, last time it's a $20 stock, but right now it's a $10 stock. So that's my only challenge. Can it put? Can I still short this? Yes. If let's say I can find a stock, I can still short this. But let's see whether we got others. Okay, we got other stock. Southwestern. How many have seen this stock before? Southwestern. When you drank the stock, have you all seen this stock as a weak stock before? If you have seen this stock as a weak stock, type yes. If you're doing your homework, you should know, right? This is a weak stock, yes or no? Okay, so can we see from here, this stock, this was the first arrow, yes or no? Okay, first arrow. This is the second arrow, this is the third arrow, so all fire already. So if you are shorted, right, from this arrow, and you buy back now today, right, you are up already almost 80% already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Now you short, right? Okay, but if you buy here right now and sell here right now, up almost 80% already. Okay, so right now at this moment, what's happening to actually Southwestern is at a very critical support. Do you all agree? Okay, so a stock like drop below $10 is usually considered not a stock. It's like a penny stock already for US. Yes or no? So this is a critical support. And what if this critical support breaks? Okay, just like when it's here. Last time this was a critical support. Okay, so when it breaks, okay, can move down further. Can see that? Or like example, when it's here, when it breaks, it can move down further. So right now, this area here is a critical support. Okay. Yes, with relative, you need to wait for it to break lower. Yes or no? Okay, right now we are doing like live scanning now. Okay, live scanning. We have this time 3 valid arrow already. Yes or no? 3 valid arrow already. Cannot fire already. Yes or no? Okay, so we cannot fire this one. How about this one? This one no teeth also. Okay, mood is bearish. Mood is bearish, but there's no teeth also. Okay, there's no teeth over here. So very quickly we see that. Let's go down, see whether we can find any stocks with teeth. Okay, this one no teeth again. This one no teeth again. Okay, nothing. Okay, so basically we have one, which is this one. Okay, TSU. Okay, TSU second valid arrow. Yes or no? But this is good, right? Because it's ranked number 1 and with teeth. Okay, rank number 1 and with teeth. Okay, so let's say example we decided to short this one, TSU, because long got nothing much, right? Okay, TSU. Then what's the next step? Next step is to go and look at the low price. Okay, so the low price over here is how much? Low price is $10.51. $10.51. You will sell below $10.51. So you do a sell short order or sell stop order. Okay, sell stop order. So definitely, can you write down? Okay, so it's $10.51 minus of $10.51 minus of 0.2%. Okay, so what's the number? Okay, later you write down, okay, this is below that price, okay, this is below that price, okay. So this is potentially one stock, okay. So in US, is $10 is considered penny stocks already, okay. Got it? Okay, one stock, hard to find. Today, nothing much, okay. So this is for NYSE, okay. Let's choose any question. We have one stock for short. So this is position, daily, NYSE, long nothing, short only one stock. Short actually nothing also because all don't have teeth. Okay, so only one stock, which is this TSU. Long also nothing because long until 55 also no teeth. Okay. Any question? So definitely write down. Okay, this is the entry price and the stock name also. Definitely. Okay. So next one is, let's do position weekly. Okay. Position weekly, we want to have a smaller list of stocks. We don't want to be buying everything. Okay, we don't want to buy everything. So when you go position weekly, maybe we look at the S&P 500. Okay, we can look at this S&P 500 stocks, and then we can check. Okay, so one being asked, is it important to check the earnings? Yes. Okay, it's important just to. It's very easy. Just go and Google, and then find out where's the earnings. Okay, you don't want to buy a stock and then like earnings is coming. Got it, Wan Ping? Okay, so right now we go to position weekly. S&P 500, I choose the biggest cap 500 stocks. This week, nothing to buy, nothing to sell also. Okay, so nothing lah. Position weekly, you just look at S&P 500. You can choose 25, you can choose 50 of the biggest cap stocks. Look for them for buy signal. Got it? If you understand, type yes. Thank you very much. Okay, so you see, the key is that when you go to the market, you must be clear, you must be systematic. You cannot just look for a research report and find, hey, this one, today this analyst talk about this stock and then go and buy the stock, okay? Then when you buy the stock, then you also don't know when the analyst want to ask it, when the analyst should exit. Okay, the analyst won't be there with you every day, yes or no? So you won't know where to exit. Okay, but when you come into the market, you know exactly when to enter, you know exactly when to exit, then at least you have a system, yes or no? Okay, so example, we look at let's say Amazon, okay, weekly charts. At least we know that what are the entry price, okay, what are the entry price for position weekly, okay. At least you know that Amazon position weekly, okay, this is the long-term position trade for long, okay. Tian Xiong asks, is it only for long for position weekly? Answer is yes, only for long, okay, only for long, okay. Okay, so Alan, you do not know how to find the S&P 500. I think I mentioned this in class. Okay, do you all know? You can go to here, Finviz. I've done this, right? Okay, I will give you this link. Okay, just copy this link. Okay, copy this link. This is the biggest cap 500 stock. Okay, so you need to put this into your watch list. Okay, these are the biggest cap. Okay, all the S&P stocks, the ranked by market cap. So what is the biggest in market cap right now? In the market right now is Microsoft. Okay, followed by Apple, followed by Microsoft. All tech stocks. Can you see? Like the first 6 are all tech stocks. Okay, so then you have a list of the blue chip. These are the bluest blue chip. Then from there you do position weekly. That means long term for all these stocks. Okay, these are the bluest blue chip. Okay, so I go to position weekly, position daily, nothing. Okay, so position weekly position daily got one stock, TSU. Okay, but position weekly, S&P, nothing. Any question? Okay, here is a good time to ask question. Any question? Okay. No question. Okay, so next we move on. Next we move on to swing. Okay, so swing is shorter time frame. Okay, we can do swing daily or swing weekly also. So we can do swing weekly. When we do swing weekly, then we are looking at the downtrend. Yes or no? We are looking at swing weekly. Swing weekly. We are looking at downtrend. Then what is the next thing to do after you do? Oh, sorry, we don't want to do SMT. Yeah, we want to go back to NYSE again, right? Okay. So swing weekly. So swing weekly, you are trading for how long? It means if you enter the stock, then how long are you going to enter it for? 5 weeks, yes or no? Okay. Then next is ranked by arrow. So now you don't want a strong, you don't want a very impulsive trend. What you want is a stable trend. Okay. So you got the first one. I think this one is in canopy growth, right? Okay, this is a swing sell. Okay, so you go to weekly swing sell order. Okay. Okay. Any question? Okay, so we have this stock goes up. This is an impulsive down, and this stock is going up this way. So this is the support. Okay, support, and this is the broken. So support turn resistance a bit. Okay, but again, when you want to do swing weekly, you need to wait for it to break the low. Okay, break the low. So right now the low is here, the low is here, the low is here. So you need to wait for it to go up below this low. Okay, below this low, then you can enter the short position. Yes or no? Okay, so if the keyword is if it goes below the low of, what's the low? The low right now is 1455. Yes or no? On the weekly chart is 1455. So we must go below that low, which is now currently the price is at 1561. Close at 1559. Look here. Okay, now it's at 1559. Okay, 1559. So you must wait for it to go down to 14, below 1455. Okay, so 0.2% below 1455. That will be your trigger to short. Yes or no? You understand? Type yes. Okay, very good. So we can go and look at some of these stocks over here. Let's look at one with 20. All these are 10. So what I mean by 10 is they only touch the 10 MA but haven't go above the 10 MA. So let's look at this one. This one touched the 20. Or the price goes up and touch the 20. Can you all see that these stocks are all downtrend? Can see or not? You can see, type yes. Okay, the trend is your friend. Okay, if the trend is going down like that, don't go and fight the trend. Okay, so right now the price is going up, which is in your favor. Yes or no? You want for it to go into your favor and then down. Okay, so right now it's going up. You don't do anything. Wait for it to break the low. Okay, Daphne, can you write down again, please? This stock is ESTC. ESTC, and then ESTC, it will sell below what price? 1504, 0.2%, not 2%, 0.2% below 5704. Got it? Thank you. Okay, so we have done short again. Wow, short. Okay, market is up today. I think the index is still up, right? Okay, so if the index is up, don't need to worry. Okay, your stock won't get triggered. Yes or no? Okay, if the market is up, your stop will not get triggered. So your stop will only get triggered if the market goes down. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, so if you key in the price, if the market goes up, don't worry, your order won't get activated. Okay, you only be activated if the price goes down. On crude oil, you see, drop 18%. It's crazy, right? Okay. Any question? Give yourself a chance to ask question. So if you key in a sell stop order and the market goes up, nothing happened. Okay, nothing happened. Only if it goes down and break the low, then something will happen. If not, then just continue to use the high, use the previous candle low to trigger. Like example, tonight, if it closed still positive, then you will still use the previous candle low as a trigger. Got it? If you understand, type yes. If any question, type the question. No question, I move on. Okay? So let's do one long, see whether we can do one long here. TAL. Okay, TAL. Okay, TAL is challenging. Okay, even though it's a swing buy order, can you see? The 2040 are sloping up, yes or no? Who is sharp enough to tell me what's wrong with this TAL? Why maybe it's not so good to buy right now? Swing buy, weekly chart. Okay, overlapping, yes, what else? Big candle, yes, what else? Big movement, all correct. Okay, so you're very smart. Okay, and one more thing, right? You have this correction. You see, correct, go up and correct again. So it's like more than 5 candle correction. Yes or no? Can you see this is more than 5 candle correction? Okay, this is more than 5 candle correction. So this one not so good. Okay, it's more like start to go sideways. Can you see the 10 MA start to go this way already? Okay. So the rest are short. I think we just do one. Just do just down that one. ESTC. Cannot. Okay. So now next we do daily. No question. Okay, now we go daily. Then we do. Sorry, we rank by arrow again. Okay. Then now we want to look for stocks to buy or sell. Okay, this one is sell, Collin is sell. The rest are buy. Okay, so this trade is for the next 5 days. Okay, for the next 5 days. What are the stocks that you can trade for next 5 days? Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, this stock is challenging, yes or no? Because the down move is very impulsive. Oh, the down move is very impulsive. So I will take it out. Cobalt oil, yeah, remember our stock now. See this stock. Oh, nice or not? I think it's nice. Okay, this stock is nice. Okay, so look at this stock. Cobalt oil touched by 10 MA. Can you see the price is very controlled? This is the up move. This is the down move. This is controlled. Okay, CCI go to low 96. Okay, right now it's around there. Okay. So right now we want to, if you want to buy, what must you do? If you want to buy, what must you do? Wait for it to, what must it do? What must we do? Wait for it to clear the high, yes or no? Wait for it to clear this high. Okay, clear this high. There will be a trigger to go long. There will be a trigger to go long. And you can do a swing. Okay, so the price, how much is the price? The price right now is 2076. Okay, 2076. So COG above 2076 will be our entry. Okay, write down, Daphne. Okay, so right now I'll pass the time to Daphne. So I've chosen a few stocks. Okay, And then definitely now we'll show you how to key in on the platform. Okay. If you all don't have the CMC account, definitely can you key in your telephone number? Key in your telephone number, then at least they can contact you for any account opening issue. Okay. Or if you want to open up the account, you can also put down there. Okay. CCI don't need to go minus 100. Okay. Minus 96 is good enough. Okay. So for this, those people who don't have account, or those people who want to open a CMC account, you can contact Daphne. Okay. Okay, so that what's the reason you want to have a dedicated person? Okay, number one is you don't do extra, you don't pay extra. So if you don't pay extra, it's good. Okay. Number two, you can build relationship with the person in charge. Okay. Number three, she will walk you through the platform. Okay, so that is some of the advantage of doing this. Okay, so I will mute myself right now, Daphne, and you will unmute and then do it. Can you unmute?
Yep. Hi guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi everybody. Okay, so I hope you can hear me. I'll get started. Okay, thanks for responding. That's great. Can you see me as well? Okay, cool. So let's get started. First of all, if you haven't already done a walkthrough, you're going to need to activate your market data. Okay, so if you look at the platform right now, you'll see a small row of icons. If you want the full range of words and icons, just click on the right hand corner where you see a bar next to your cash and profit. Click on that, and then all your words will appear.